चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has now filed a petition in the Supreme Court regarding the stay imposed on his bail by the Delhi High Court. Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers have appealed for a hearing tomorrow morning. That's the latest update as far as Arvind Kejriwal's Tihar stay is concerned, because remember the Rouse Avenue Court had given him bail, interim bail, and after that the Enforcement Directorate once again approached the Delhi High Court in a bid to block the bail that was issued to Arvind Kejriwal. And following the arguments, the Delhi High Court has now reserved its order for 2 to 3 days, which means that Arvind Kejriwal will continue to remain behind the bars of Tihar jail. This is the latest, and now his legal team has filed a petition in the top court seeking urgent hearing tomorrow morning. We have Aditya joining us live from the national capital. Aditya, this is a new twist in the Liquorgate saga after the Delhi High Court blocked Arvind Kejriwal's bail. We have his legal team now approaching the top court seeking hearing tomorrow morning.
Well, Deepak, there have been many instances where Arvind Kejriwal's bail has been denied by the Delhi High Court, and this time too, when he was given the bail by the Rouse Avenue Court day before yesterday, the Enforcement Directorate had called for an urgent hearing in the case, and due to it, the Delhi High Court was able to put a stay on his bail order. Now it needs to be seen as to where this case is headed. He has Arvind Kejriwal has filed a petition in the Supreme Court, and his legal team has demanded that the case be heard very urgently on an urgent basis tomorrow. This needs to be seen as to whether he will get a bail this time, or again his bail will be cancelled. This needs to be seen. Back to you in the studios, Deepak.
Right, Aditya, many thanks for joining us with all those details. Well, that's the latest, viewers. Tomorrow, the legal team has filed a petition today seeking for a hearing tomorrow morning as far as the stay on his bail is concerned from the Delhi High Court. Let's now move on from our update and get you what's happening in Jammu and Kashmir, because the DG of Jammu and Kashmir Police has now decided to invoke the enemy agents ordinance on supporters of terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. The DGP has said that supporters of Pakistani terrorists will be booked under the stringent law, more stringent than the UAPA. Enemy agents ordinance will be slapped against the supporters of terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. That's the latest statement, a warning for all those who are now facilitating infiltration, facilitating terror attacks, and facilitating all the logistical support for the terrorists who are enemies of the state. So J&K Police has decided to invoke the enemy agents ordinance